guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Vlogmas Day 9. Today I will be decorating and cleaning my master bedroom. It is the last piece of my decorating for Christmas videos. I haven't done my master bedroom before I put out my home tour because I just wasn't sure where I wanted to go with it. But so that's why it is a separate video. So make sure you check out my home tour if you haven't done so already. So I've got my cup of tea ready, and this video is one of two videos coming out today. There will be one coming out a little later. It's all about baking, so tune in. It's a little bit different, but for this video I am, like I said, going to deep clean my bedroom. I'm gonna do everything but vacuum because I'm doing this during nap time and I don't want to wake up anybody with a vacuum. So, but I will be changing up some pillows and changing out some decor for Christmas. Let me show you what I have for Christmas decor right now that I'm gonna be planning on using. So here are some items. A lot of these items that I will be using here are DIYs. I've got my wreath that I want to change that up a little bit, and got some pajamas to clean up, and then I want to change those pillowcases back there, and I just changed my sheets for the gray ones, but usually I like to have white ones, but white ones are in the wash right now. That wasn't very well planned out, and yeah, so I'm gonna put the camera down and get cleaning. Oh yeah, by the way, I already did the mantle. I did the mantle back in like very first weekend of November because I did a challenge and I needed to decorate a mantle, and because this one was upstairs I decorated it, but it is the only thing that I decorated. As you can see, everything else is still here. I took out the playpen from the bedroom because I don't have that child here today, so I'm able to do this during nap time. So let's get started.
In a sea full of smiles, walking down Main Street tonight. Got a lot on my mind since you walked out and said, Merry Christmas, babe, give me some time. Holidays are coming and there's no way around. Better join in the holiday crowd while I'm struggling to find some peace of mind. Merry Christmas, babe, hope you're alright. When you're not here to walk with me, it all seems like a waste. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. 6:15 and you're still on my mind, while an old man sings "Oh Holy Night." Yeah, the streets might be full, but I'm empty inside. Merry Christmas, baby, wish you were mine. When you're not here to walk with me, which makes it all seem great. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring them in.
So here it is. I was looking for that cozy country cottage look, and I think I have achieved it. Mine has a little bit more glam than some, just because I was trying to use up a lot of the materials that I already had at home, shop my home. I didn't want to go out and spend any more money than I already did. So I'm going to start over here where I had just replaced my wreath with the one that I made a couple weeks ago. I have a video, I can share that with you. And then I just made like a little vignette here with some trees, pine cones, and some greenery, and then just a little bit of jazz, I guess. And then my frosted vases are here, which give you that snowy feeling, I think. And then over here I just have my 3 candelabras that are always here. On my husband's nightstand I didn't do much because he likes to keep it clean, and I just added pine cones into the bowl. And then I replaced those 4 pillows, and I added the plaid pillows. I think the plaid really looks good against the barnboard headboard. I really like that look. I like to have a blanket here for nap time if there is ever a chance that I can have a nap without actually taking my bed completely apart. And then over here I placed my small Christmas tree with little twinkle lights here, and that's about it. The fireplace, like I said, I did it a while ago. It does have twinkling lights as well. There we go. Just a little bit, you can't really see it. I will turn off the lights just to give you an idea once I'm done. So I have a full video how I decorated this, so I will link it in a corner for you guys to check it out if you wish so I don't go into detail. All of the things you see here are DIY projects. And then my little makeup station doesn't have really anything, just because it is a busy area and it needs to stay clear. Not that I put makeup on often, but. And then over here I just changed out some pictures, added my Christmas tree. I had gotten this Christmas tree from Dollarama for $4. I was so happy when I found it. I think it's well worth $4. And I just added some of the bottle brush trees to it, and then I just added a snowflake. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to press the subscribe button and stick around, see what my channel has to offer. And stay tuned for tonight, because I think it might be tonight. It's a challenge, so we'll see what time the video will go up, but it will be later on than this morning. So stay tuned. I am making some Christmas baking stuff, so if you're into that, make sure you watch that. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.